Okay, class 7th, let's come to next question of fractions. John got a prize of rupees 75,000 in a TV contest. He paid 1/10th of the prize as income tax. Out of the remaining, he gave 1/3 to his son and 1/5 to his daughter, 1/10 to the Red Cross Society, and the rest to his wife. What portion of the prize did John's wife get and by how much? Simple question, seems big but not that hard. Clear? So this is the total money John is having. This much money he has won in lottery, and he paid 1/10 as income tax. So how much did he give as income tax? 1/10. So 1/10 of full money. Clear? 0 so 0 got cancelled. That means rupees 7,500 he has given as income tax. So how much money is still left with him? Remaining money, how much? Rupees 75,000 minus rupees 7,500. इसमें से इतना टैक्स दे चुका, तो still how much left? 500 1 year, then again 14 7 1 year 6, 67,500 is the money still left with him. Now out of the remaining money he gave 1/3 to his son. Now money to son, how much did he give? 1/3. So 1/3 of this much. How much it comes? 3 2 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. That means rupees 22,500 he has given to son. Now money to daughter, how much did he give to his daughter? 1/5. 1/5 to his daughter. So 1/5 of 67,500. Try to cancel. 5 into 5, 1 carry here, 5 3 15, 2 carry, 5 5 0. That means rupees 13,500 he has given to his daughter. Now, and 1/10 to Red Cross. So to Red Cross, how much did he give? To Red Cross he has given 1/10 of 67,500. That means rupees 6750. This much to Red Cross, this much to his daughter, this much to his son, and the rest to his wife. So how much did he give to his wife? So wife's money you can find out that way. Subtract, this was the money left with him. इतना था, इतना टैक्स में कटा, इतना बचा. अब इसमें से जितना to his daughter, इतना to his son, itna to his Red Cross. So add all these three and subtract from this one. Clear? So from this you subtract all these three. Clear? Add them. On adding, how much did you get? Let's try to solve. Add all these. 0 5 7 5 12, 12 5 17, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So this much he has already spent to Red Cross, daughter and son. To subtract from the total amount, 0 50, then 1 year 14 left, 14 minus 7 7 left, 1 here 6 6 minus 2 4 2. So 24,750 is the money which is still left with his wife. So this much money did he gave to his wife. Now they are asking you how much did his wife get. So this is the money which his wife got, and how much. So this is the answer. Clear? And they are asking, wait 1 minute, sorry, they are asking you portion also. So they are asking you how much ka answer is 24,750. When they are asking you portion or fraction, they both are same. Remember, portion and fraction both are same. Simple story. Let's make you portion and fraction clear. See, suppose you have 10 rupees, and out of this 2 rupees you have eaten samosa and 3 rupees chocolate. So if someone asks you what fraction did you spend on samosa, samosa pe you have spent 2 rupees upon total, that means 1/5. This is the fraction you spent on samosa. एंड व्हाट फ्रैक्शन डिड यू स्पेंड ऑन चॉकलेट? चॉकलेट पे 3 रुपए खर्च किए थे ना, 3 अपॉन टोटल. सो 3 अपॉन 10 is the fraction you have spent on chocolate. So similarly, you have to find portion of wife. Portion of wife, or portion of money spent on wife. How much? This is the money spent, na? So this upon total, always total. What was the total amount? 75,000. Cancel and get answers. Clear? Now I hope this cancelling you can do by yourself.